Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can install the Shopify contact form submission event in your Google Tag Manager and send this in the Google Analytics tool. So at first, I am showing you the Shopify website. So here in this Shopify website, we have a contact form. So I will submit a details and send this, and after that it will send a contact event data to this Google Analytics. So at first we have to configure a trigger. So for that we have to go to variables, then click configure. In this Google Tag Manager, I already enabled these options, so you have to enable this option at first. So just tick mark on these options, then you are okay. Now we have to configure a trigger, but before doing this trigger, uh, I want to show you preview mode. So put your website address here, then click connect. Then go to contact. I have connected. Now submit details test. Click send. So after doing this, we can see that a form submit already appeared, uh, but we will not use this thing. We will use another method. So we can use this also, form submit. Then it happened for these options, but we didn't enable this. So no worry. So after submitting this form, what we saw is a thank you message. So we will use element visibility feature of Google Tag Manager. So just right click here and go to inspect. I am showing for Chrome browser. Then this option, this specific part is selected in Chrome extension. Sorry, inspect element option or elements. So right click on this and go to copy, and we will need to copy element. Sorry, we will need to copy selector. So click copy selector. So we have now copied the selector options. Now let's go to our tag manager, then click trigger. Now here click new trigger configuration, and we will use element visibility feature user engagement. So whenever this element will be visible, we our tag our event will fire. So here what we copied selector. So just click select CSS selector, then paste it. This is unnecessary thing, just remove this. Okay, so this is our selector. We will use once per page, and this is the minimum percent visibility. So how much, when did will it happen? So whenever our element is visible 10% or 50%, it will fire. So I am going to write 10%. Okay, so this triggers fires. Okay, we can specify more, but I am not doing this. All visibility events. Now click save. Element visibility for form tracking. Click save. Just rename this as you want. Okay, done. Now we have to select our, sorry, we have to create our tags. So let's go to tags, then click new. Let's copy our this Google Analytics measurement ID because we will need this. We will also need Google tag. We already showed this how to do that, but I'm not showing that right now. So I'm going to another event and copying the tag. Okay. So now click new, click tag configuration, Google Analytics, GA4 event, and put your measurement ID. Done. Now we'll name this letter. Now event name, it is a custom event. So just put your event name, form submit event underscore Shopify. We will not send any other info, just sending this event triggering. We just created it, element visibility for form tracking. Okay, done. Click save. Uh, we have to name this GA4 event form submit Shopify. This is our tag name. So click save. Perfect. So the submit form tag. You can put any other name by which you can recognize your work. Now we have to preview this. So click preview, and to check this in debug view, go to your Google Analytics dashboard, then admin. After that, go to scroll down and click debug view. So we will see the data all here. So continue. Now cross this. I hope our website loaded again. You can see, yes, contact page just loaded. Now again, input our test details, click send. So I hope it will work because we have done it perfectly. So yes, if I okay, so we can see that GA4 event form submit Shopify. This tag just fired. So here in our analytics, just wait a minute. Yes, we can see form submit event Shopify. This event just fired perfectly. So that is how you can track form submission in your Shopify and send this data to your Google Analytics. Thank you very much. If you want to see this kind of tutorial, uh, stay tuned and subscribe. Okay.